Welcome back to my YouTube channel Kai Bibi, where we explore ways to grow, develop and succeed. Today I'm going to show you 6 ways you can make money in just 1 week. Whether you're looking for a quick side hustle or a way to turn your passions into profits, these tips will set you on the right path. First, e-commerce. The first way to make money in 1 week is through e-commerce. Start by buying items at a low cost and selling them at a higher, reasonable margin. You can do this on platforms like Shopee, Lazada, eBay, Etsy, TikTok Shop. The second method is affiliate marketing. Nowadays, platforms like Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok offer affiliate programs. You can promote products in your videos, blog posts, or social media accounts and earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. Next up is another affiliate marketing strategy, this time using ClickBank. ClickBank is a popular affiliate marketplace where you can promote digital products and earn commissions. Fourth on our list is making money through your passions by selling your services on freelancer platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, video editor, or have another skill, there's a market for your talent. The fifth method is to find a local job that aligns with your passion or skill set. Search for trustworthy job opportunities in your area by checking Facebook groups, Telegram groups, or hiring apps. Be cautious and do thorough research before committing to any job to avoid scams. Finally, remember that learning is an investment in your future. Along your journey, the more you learn, the more you gain. While you might not make money immediately from the knowledge or hobbies you're passionate about, these skills can help you shine brightly in the future. So keep learning, keep growing, and never underestimate the power of self-development. It might not pay off right away, but it will eventually lead to greater opportunities. And there you have it, 6 ways to make money in just 1 week. Whether through e-commerce, affiliate marketing, freelancing, or local jobs, there are plenty of opportunities out there. Remember, it's all about taking action and staying persistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on growth and development. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.